Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find pool locations in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it. And if you look up there, you can see that we are currently in the dining section, and if you swipe to the right, you can see here the pool section. You can just press on it, and here you will be able to find pool locations. Now for this specific city, there are only 2 pool locations, but anyway you can check out one of these. And you can see basically a short description about it, and when it is open you can also call the venue if you want to and check out the location in the maps. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.